Hey folks, this is Saul at Sauls Autotek, and I'm out in the parking lot today to show you that we work on everything. Today we're servicing OG Burger's big old food truck, but let's see what else we got inside. Alright, looks like we got the lifted Frontier, getting some suspension and axle love, the classic Land Cruiser. Wow, that's a 50-year-old car back there. We've got our electric Beetle wrapping up, off-road. We even got your Subarus and your Fords getting the regular stuff, paying our bills. And a few classics. If you're ever curious what we're working on, come and see us. You might be surprised. It might even be your neighbor's drift car, or their classic Rolls, or maybe just their weekend adventure vehicle. Probably just their daily driver. But either way, come and see us and we'd be happy to take care of yours. Sauls Autotek is open 365 days a year, and we work on everything. 303-290-9900.